Hello, hello everyone. This is Jainul Renosha, Department of Information Technology, Assistant Professor, Vaovajiha Women's College, Kayalpatnam, and I'm going to discuss about a small topic that is from the syllabus of second IT, and this is from the numerical analysis. A small topic that is Gauss-Jordan elimination method, and for this is one of the methods which is used to solve the linear equation problem, and it requires a minimum of 3 equations that is needed to find the values and solve the problem. And so let us see some of the steps here. First thing is we have to find the general matrix from the given linear equation. After finding the matrix, we have to find the augmented matrix, and from the augmented matrix we should do some row operations and for finding the identity matrix. Let us consider one example, that is solve the following problem using the Gauss-Jordan elimination method. So the given equation, linear equation, there are 3 equations here. One is x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2, 2x plus 7y plus 7z is equal to minus 1, 2x plus 5y plus 2z is equal to 7. There are 3 equations here, and this is in the form of ax is equal to b. Then we are going to move to the solution. How to find the solution? First step is what? Find the matrix. So from the given equation we'll finding the A matrix. What is A matrix is here is the coefficient of all the values, all the variables x, y, z from each of the equation, and we are making that into a matrix. So from there are three rows here in the matrix, and the first row is the first equation, second row is the second equation, third row is the third equation, and we should take only the x plus 3y plus z. So we'll get the coefficients of x as 1 and y as 3 and z as 2. And for the second equation 2, 7, 7, and the third equation 2, 5, 2. From this, after finding the matrix here, so next step we are going to find the augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix here is we are combining the A matrix with the B matrix. What is B matrix here is simple, that 2, minus 1 and 7 are B matrix. So we are going to include the B matrix and A matrix, that is augmented matrix of A comma B is A matrix, and the slash and B matrix. What is here is this is augmented matrix. After finding the augmented matrix, what we have to do, what the next step is to do some row operations and find the identity matrix. First of all, what is identity matrix? The identity matrix is diagonal values is 1 and the other values are 0. Okay, so diagonal value, what is the diagonal value here? 1, 7, 2 will be 1, 1, 1, and the 2, 2, 5, 3, 2, 7, all the values to be 0. So this is what we want as a result. Okay, so from this what we have to do? After subtracting, next step is after subtracting the row 2 value. What is row 2 here is 2, 7, 7 minus 1. So from the, we have to subtract R2 minus R1. What we'll get? We'll get the value of 2 becomes 0, because 2 minus 2 into R1. What is the result? 2 minus 2, 0 here. And the next step, 7 minus 3 into 2, 6, 1 as a result. 7 minus 2 into 2, 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then minus 1 minus what? 2 into 2, 4. Minus 5 as result. Here what we are getting is that I said the result. The first column having two values are 0. And we are doing here what we did is we did the same R2 operation and the row operations on R2 and R3. That is I have highlighted in the right side. Okay. After that we will get the value as this. And after finding this, you have to move to the next point, that is we need the value of R3 to be, the minus 1 to be 0 and minus 2 will be 1. So how will I find? So if we add the R3 and R2, then put the value to the R3, what we will get? 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0 here. And 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2 plus 3 is what? Plus 1. Here the next step will get 1, 1, 1 and the lower triangle will be 0, 0, 0. And then we have to move to the upper triangle, that also to be 0, 0, 0. How we will find? We'll find with simple equations, and we are going to do is we are going to subtract the R2 value with multiplications of 3 with R3. What we will get is and also we'll get the value as R2 value will be, the 3 value is changed into 0, and here is 0, 1. After changing the after putting the equation, that is after putting some operations over R1 and R2, R3 what we are getting is something here, 1 0 minus 7 17, and then 0 1 0 0 0 1. And then after finding that we are adding the value of R1 plus 7 into R3. What we will get is, we will get minus 7 as 0 and 17 as 3, because we'll get the value of nearly 17 minus 14. What will be 17 minus 2 into 7? What is that? 14. 17 minus 14 is what? 3. Okay. As a result, what we get is the identity matrix. The diagonals are 1 1 1 and the upper triangle and lower triangles are 0 0 0. As a result, we found the identity matrix. From the identity matrix, we'll use the back substitution method and find the value of x. In the first row, the x value is 1, others are 0, so x is equal to 3. And then in the second row, the y value will be 1, others are 0, so then y value will be 1. And the third row, and first one is 1, and the last column, z column is 1, then the value of z is minus 2. So using some backward or forward substitutions depending upon our solution, but we are getting that generally this is a forward substitutions, and the result is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 2. And thank you for your patience. Thank you.